Welcome to watch today's Fresham. In the coastal suburb of Wollongong, the Autumn House brings together a layered and refined approach to family living. Designed by Hemma Interiors in close collaboration with Urena of Urena Design Studio, the residence offers a careful interplay of warmth, durability, and spatial restraint. At the heart of the home's design is Hemma's considered interior vision, one rooted in the longevity and value of material selection. Rather than opting for decorative flourishes, the palette leans into variation and tactility, with natural stone and timber veneer forming the foundation of the interior scheme, selected not only for their durability but for their capacity to age gracefully within the pulse of family life.